The AutoZone Fix Finder's top reasons your check engine light may be on. Number 1. A faulty oxygen sensor. So you've been to AutoZone and our free Fix Finder service informed you that you have a bad O2 sensor. What's next? Let's start with the basics. What does an oxygen sensor do? Your oxygen sensor measures the amount of oxygen in your exhaust to tell your engine computer how much fuel it needs to run efficiently. Why do they go bad? Over time, the buildup of combustion byproducts prevent them from taking accurate measurements and sending signals to your engine's computer. Where is the oxygen sensor located? Oxygen sensors are located in the exhaust stream, usually mounted in the exhaust. Depending on the engine design, vehicles can have multiple oxygen sensors. There can be as many as 4, sometimes on both sides of the exhaust. Our free Fix Finder service will tell you exactly which sensor may be in need of replacing. What are the symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor? Specific symptoms include engine light indicates a problem, increased tailpipe emissions, increased fuel consumption, hesitation on acceleration, stalling, rough idling. How difficult is it to replace a bad oxygen sensor? In most cases, replacing an oxygen sensor is a relatively straightforward procedure that usually only requires a few tools, all of which you can find at AutoZone. Difficulty scale from 1 to 10? We give this job a 3. What if you don't replace it? Your engine will burn more fuel than needed. You'll experience loss of fuel economy, up to 40% if ignored, and faulty oxygen sensors can cause damage to your catalytic converter. Now that you know what to do, take the next step and stop by AutoZone for the right parts, tools, and friendly advice. And if you need a repair shop, we can help you with that too.